Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today we're out here at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Oh, they just got something very new from the Venture RV people. And this is a 2026 Venture Sporttrek Stinger, model number 192 VRB. Now, I do believe through the grapevine that the Stingers are taking the Sonic place. So if you like the little Venture Sonic, they are phasing those out, and now they're bringing on this Stinger. Now we're going to take a look at this one today, so let's get started. The length on this Stinger is 23 feet 3 inches. The dry weight is 4,090 pounds with a hitch weight of 420. GVWR of 5,800 pounds. Awesome, so let's start right up front. There's your power tongue jack, your propane, and your batteries will go right back here. It does have manual stabilizers. There's your docking bay for your city water inlet, and here is your pass-through storage. Yep, so I'm out here by myself today, but that's all right, we're going to make it through. And right there is your tankless water heater. All right, let's see what we got under here. As you can see, Venture has gone to the Goodyear tires. Yep, and then here is your outlets. Very good position. Well, it's back here in the back, so hopefully it won't drag. It looks a little low, but then again, the front end is jacked up pretty high, so it's kind of hard to visualize that. But there's your dump area. Coming around the back, you do have a spare tire. You are prepped for a backup camera, and you do have a ladder. Awning size is 16 foot. On this Stinger, and right here you do have a little suburban griddle and a fridge. Hey, I like that. That's all I need. Then as we're looking around at everything, there's your low point drain. And let's look at this other side of your pass-through storage. Light switch, there's a light in here, there's your tire monitor prep right there. Really nice looking unit. All right, nothing left. Hey, let's go in and take a look. All right, first glance. And we will start right up here in the front. The bed size is a 60 by 75. And we've got a little hanging over here. Little storage all the way across. Let's see, you do have power on this side. But over here, USB. USB on this side. In the kitchen, well, let's start right over here. You've got a Bluetooth speaker. There's your control. Nice windows. Nice sink with a pull down faucet. And up here at the top, you've got some cabinet storage up here. Little microwave. And you get their cutting board with Venture. And then you have an oven and a 3-burner cooktop. Yes. Let's look down here. A little storage down there. We've got some little pull-out drawers here. Got a little spot here for some sponges or something. As I'm coming back around, nice looking table. I like this. This is really sharp. It does make into a bed, and it does, everything does swivel. There we go. Little storage down here. And over here in this cabinet, oops, got a little storage right here. Looks like you might have to be careful. You got water lines coming in right there. And up here is where your TV will go. I measured this, about a 32-inch TV will go right there. Let me just back up. Very nice campsite window with, yes, blackout shades. All right, your furnace is down here below your oven. There's your fuses. And you have a 12-volt fridge and freezer. All right, let's get in here and all right, it's already equipped with your RV airflow system and Level Mate Pro. Cool. In the bathroom, wow, porcelain foot flush toilet. We've got a mirrored medicine cabinet. We've got some storage over here, and we can get you 15% off on liquefied. Check out the description in this video. Use our coupon code and our link. And there's a little storage under the sink. Shower. Nice size shower. It is a 30 by 36 shower. Really sharp. And if I step up in here, my head is just in the skylight. So, all right, everybody. I hope you enjoy this. This first look at these Venture Stingers, Sporttrek Stingers. Really nice looking unit. Come and check them out here at Great American, and tell them J&A RV Reviews sent you. All right, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe, follow us, click that thumbs up button, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, everybody.